And I want you to enter 2000 here for the width and 2000 for the height, and then click on create new design. Sorry. And that will take you to this page. Now, I want you to click on apps here, and then I want you to select this AI tool here called text to image, and that will take you to this page. Now, in this box here, you want to write a description of what type of images you want this AI to create for you. And the easiest way to do that is to go back to Etsy, and I want you to copy the description of this image here, and just like that, go back to Canva and paste it here. And then if I click on this see all button here, you can see that we have all of these different styles that we can use to generate the kind of image we want. And as you can see, you've got vibrant, you've got filmic, you've got these different digital art designs and styles and much more. So you can play around with it, try different styles until you find the one that looks amazing. So for example, I'm going to select filmic style and then click on create your image. And Canva will take a few seconds to generate the image based on the description that we inserted. And as you can see, it has generated these images for us. Now, if you don't like any of these images, you can click on this button here that says create again to create a similar image using the same style, or you can select a different style from here. So for example, I will select this one here. And once you select a good one, all you have to do is click this share button and then click download. And I want you to click on this file type box here. I want you to select PDF and then click on download, and then click on this box again and download another copy in PNG format because we'll use that later. So